Boom shakalaka. I'm so passionate about cooking. I love that street food mentality.
There is gonna be who you are.
It's always been something, a passion of mine. I'm Miguel Martinez. I am the owner of Chef City Catering. That's a local catering company based out of Central Florida. Started that up about 2 years ago. And just decided to take the plunge and get a food truck out there. I see a lot of food trucks out there, selling awesome, different, styles of food. So I just wanted to kind of throw my name out there and, get a food truck, do something different, do something fun, and just have fun with it. I like to step out of the comfort zone. I like to take a very simplistic dishes and just innovate it, blow it up that you would never expect. It's empanadas. Like, I'll put different fillings, I'll put different, aiolis, different sauces and styles on top.
How long have you been planning to get a food truck?
I've been planning to get a food truck ever since I've been 18. I'm 32 now, and it's always been something, a passion of mine, something fun to do. I'm so passionate about cooking. I love going to different festivals and different events and selling fun and different styles of food.
So how did you find One Fat Frog? How did you come across us?
I've always known about you guys, but it's a super intimidating food truck. Oh my god, it's scary. I don't know. And then just one time I just came in here to just like shop around and see what my options are out there. And then everybody was just super friendly. They were giving me the whole process about this. I'm like, okay, maybe I could do this. Maybe I could do something like this. And then I got a phone call back in March about this amazing sale going on, and I had to jump on. I felt like this was my sign. I'm like, all right, like this is my chance, that this is my chance to do something different. And I took the plunge, I went for it.
What makes you a Knicks fan?
Oh, oh, that's a tough question right now. A Knicks fan. I've been a Knicks fan ever since I grew up. I'm from New Jersey originally. My older brother was a huge Knicks fan, and like, oh, I just want to be like him. I want to be a Knicks fan too, not knowing that they're really this bad. So, and yeah, I've just always been a loyal, passionate fan to them. So, and I'm a huge basketball fan. Boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka. All right. I don't know if I should.
I don't know. I might use it, I might not.
Please don't.